Famalaaay, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diana, and this is the place where we cherish the skin we're in. Now let's do this eyebrow, honey. Wagwan and a beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Alright, now what I'm going to be teaching you today is how to do your eyebrows as simple as possible. We're not going to try and make this as, technical as, trying to rewire somebody's brain. Okay, it's just like we probably need 5 tools, if that much. Okay, all right, grab your favorite primer and put that all over your face. Okay, so you're prepping your skin. You're gonna use your favorite spoolie or toothbrush or whatever, honey. I ain't judging you. Okay, and you're gonna brush those hairs up. Okay, all right, then you're gonna use your favorite regular face powder, okay, and put that over your eyebrows. All right, it helps the eye pencil to stick. For me, that's how I do it. It helps me. All right, pat it on, don't drag it. Pat it on, because you don't want to move your eyebrow hairs from how you actually brushed it up. So yeah, and then I use the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in number 2 Hot Chocolate. I love these things, okay? Plus it's cheap, you know what I mean? Like a little $2, so you can't go wrong. Okay, for this step you need an angle brush, okay? Now this angle brush is going to help you to blend your eye pencil into your eyebrows. Alright, I normally start at the bottom of my eyebrow. Now for that eyebrow I have a scar, so I try my hardest to put as much as I can in the scarred area so that it doesn't show like I'm missing some hairs, you know what I'm saying? Because my eyebrows are not twins, okay? They're like distant cousins, okay? The cousins that you only see at the cookout, okay? That's what my eyebrows are to each other, okay? All right. Now, after you get the desired shape that you want, all right, you go ahead in and you brush those up, all right? You feather them up. Alright, so as you can see right here, right, I'm following the length of my eyebrow, alright, the natural length of it, okay? Don't go too close to like your bridge of your nose, and don't go too far to like the corners of your eye, because honey, we're not going for that Joker look, okay? Alright. Alright, so this is what you finna do, right? You see this clear e.l.f. Camo concealer? You put it underneath the eyebrow, not on top of the eyebrow, honey, underneath, okay? And what you put on top to basically shape the top of your eyebrow is a foundation or a concealer that is just a little bit below, your skin complexion. But honey, please don't go too bright, because yeah, it's gonna be harder for you to like blend out. Not impossible, but more work for you. And if you're starting out doing your eyebrows, yeah, you don't need all that kind of drama, okay? Leave that in family court or something, okay? All right, now you're gonna try your hardest to like blend this thing out as much as possible, all right? And shape your eyebrow. This is where you shape your eyebrow to your desired look, okay? All right. Okay, so we reached the blending area, honey. Okay, you get you a nice little blending brush or whatever, okay, and you're gonna blend the end parts out, okay, so that you don't have no harsh lines or whatever, okay? All right. Okay, so look here, right? I made a little, oopsie daisies or whatever. So you're gonna go right back in with your pencil, just in case you erased, some of your eyebrows. Okay, so fill it in. Fill in the places that look a little parched, honey. All right? All right. So as you can see, one of my eyebrows is a little bit thicker than the other one. Don't worry, baby. We about to fix that, okay? This is where your foundation comes in, all right? The foundation that just a little bit lighter than your skin complexion, okay? You're going to put that on top of your eyebrows, okay? And you're going to basically shape the top of your eyebrows so that, at least they came in like, distant cousins, but they're gonna leave kind of like twins. Okay, what I do here, all right, when I'm looking at my eyebrows, I can see that this part is a little bit too dark. So I go over it with the angle brush and I wipe it on the tissue and I go back in again just to try and take out as much product as I can so that it kind of looks a little bit invisible. You know what I'm saying? Hey, they're not perfect, but which family is, right? You know what I'm saying? We kind of like twins, but hey, whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment on your favorite part. All right, beautiful people. See you in the next one.